Annasu ma'adin, people are like gold mines. Excellence of human character, blessings of ideal manners. This life is a test and trial. What is the purpose of life? Behind faith and good deeds, peace and comfort in the home, society, and humanity. And in the afterlife, gardens, palaces, beauty, everlasting enjoyment. Every particle of the universe will be left behind, but all the human words and actions will be recorded, sealed, lifted, shown in the life hereafter. When people forget the purpose of life, millions of people leave this world without success. When people realize the purpose of life, that in human being Allah has hidden such jewels of qualities, pearls and rubies and diamonds, capabilities and skills, if found and applied, human being can draw from the treasures of Allah, achieve nearness to Allah, and seek guidance for this world and the life hereafter. There are four channels to affect a human being: what we see from the eyes, what we say from the tongue, what we hear from the ears, what we think from the heart and mind is going to affect us. Human being is in ghaflat, carelessness, negligence, forgetfulness. That's why an environment of iman, yaqeen, taqwa, ikhlas, ihsan, sadaqah, sabr, shukr, tawbah, istighfar. Kunu ma sadiqeen, be with the righteous. One person can be a means of guiding hundreds of thousands of people to the right path. Fountains of light, means of guidance, illuminating the universe with divine knowledge, making the world a cradle of learning and scholarship. May Allah give us the ability and tawfiq to learn the purpose of life, study, research, ponder, analyze, and ask Allah, pray to Allah for the reality of life, how to achieve everlasting success in the life hereafter. Ameen. Peace and blessings upon the devout servants of Allah.